Hi guys. Hello. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm just going to share some information on as you know, it's a regular part of SFCE that I'm going to share today. Today and we are going to do a report. I'm just going to customize and edit a report and then give some notes on how to select specific fields and how to undo some fields in the report, and basically I did that and put that in the dashboard. Okay, so what I have on my screen right now, I'm just going to share it with you. Okay, so this is what I have on my screen, right? I have active campaigns. So these are all the campaigns. Campaign is basically in terms of customer relationship management. It is basically a campaign that is launched to advertise a process, a product, a service, or a commodity into the market to see how customers reflect or customers approach it before a release of it into the market system. Correct? So I have here circle, curtail, DM campaign, GSC product, outsource, propaganda, propulsion square. For better understanding, I'll just create one more. I'll just make it triangle. I'll just make it triangle for a better understanding of the campaign creation process. I'll make it active. I'll make it a referral program, and I'll do it in progress to be launched. And the start date is somewhere in April. I'm doing somewhere in April, correct? April, and then end date is somewhere in 30th. So it's 6 days. The campaign launches 6 days. It will basically be a trade show. Basically be a trade show. Expected revenue in campaign is 100. Budget cost is 300. It's 500. And those are some random numbers I just put in. Don't consider them as some expected or pertained details from some advertisement. It's basically a self-understanding or a random. So expected revenue in campaign is something you're getting out from the campaign, and budgeted cost is something that is maintained before the release of the campaign. Like someone's just maintaining notes and just creating such and such, like for cards, for postcards, for rallies, for flags, for clothes, for notes, office supplies. All those costs is something around this one, and actual cost is something that has occurred, like something that can come. So let's just put this as 0 for time being because we don't know yet, and then we'll just give you some description as before election campaign. Okay, for understanding of the campaign, and we'll do save, correct? Triangle. Okay, so this is what we have here. We have our triangle campaign. Once we create the campaign, we have here campaign hierarchy, which means if there's any other campaigns that are running, have open activities, activity history, log a call, email, attachments, upload files, blah blah blah. We can do opportunities here with campaigns like someone is interested in something, someone is interested in deep understanding of the campaign, or in someone is deep understanding of the product. Someone is interested very deeply, and then he becomes a valued customer to us. Then we can put them into this opportunity for this campaign. Like if someone got very interested of the product release during the campaign webinar, then we can have them into our opportunity cycle for this campaign. And campaign members is something who are the the potential interest oriented people. So we can just put them in under here also. So forget about that. Let's just go back to our campaigns then. Uh, so from here we just move on to our reports, right? We just click on reports here, right? Just click on reports here, right? And when we click on reports, we click on new report. When we click on new report, accounts and contacts, opportunities, customer support reports, leads, start report. We'll go to campaigns here and we'll click on campaigns with contact. We have campaigns with contacts. Why do we need such reports? Hmm? It's basically to maintain a standard relationship with each of the standard objects. We have contacts is a standard object, leads is a standard object, opportunities is a standard object. Basically, what it's trying to do is basically try to give extra information or analyze what can be done when two standard objects relate, and which contact is interested in a campaign, and which lead is primarily related to the campaign, which opportunities is the primary important to a campaign. So all those things are related here. So, but just let's just do our campaigns start report, and then we'll just these are what we have. Triangle is what we just created. We have around 11 campaigns. Just put out all our information here. Start date, end date, campaign status, campaign type. Okay. Since we put all our information here, let's just put let's just prioritize according to campaign type. Okay. Since we added campaign type here, we'll add our chart here, right? So this is what we have. We have our records, right? Conference, most of the campaign types, we have our conference types, and webinars are the second, and trade shows are the second most with three. And conference and trade shows are equalized with three, and webinars are two, or one, sorry. And then banner ads is one, direct mail is one, advertisement is one. So we'll just we'll just convert them into different types of sales. So we have 11 in total, our campaigns. So in that we have one is direct mail, banner ads, advertisement, referral program, trade show, webinar. So all this we have constructed, right? So that this is what I basically wanted to show to you all guys, because report making is primary important for any industry, because at the end of the day you need to summarize your data. Data can be numbers, data can be quality, data can be digits, data can be alphanumeric. So at the end of the day, all you need is data. So this is how you can summarize your data to report types in SFCE. So I'm just trying to save here. But however, I have here is a donut chart. You can move to funnel chart if you want. Funnel chart if you want. You can move to line chart if you want. See, line chart is basically a up and down graph, and scatter plot is something like this. Column chart is something like this. Bar chart is something like this. Let's just save and run for now. Okay. So thank you guys. We'll end it here.